I'm sitting on the balcony of the Coliseum in Aberystwyth, the home to Ceredigion Museum. It was a building built in 1904, 1905 by David Phillips, who was an entrepreneur. He was a very clever man in that he operated a holiday entertainment business, and some of the posters that we found when the building was altered into the museum, which were up in the attic, showed the kind of entertainment that he put on for members of the public. It was a huge variety of acts that appeared here. One of my favourite ones was the mention of Mademoiselle Bertinelli on her golden column. Perhaps we'll never know what she actually did on the golden column, but it happened here in the Coliseum. When I first came here, it was a bit of a ruin. I think the cinema, it had started as a cinema in 1932 when talkies came. It had changed from being a theatre into a full-blown super cinema with sound. It was a very sad place. There were pigeons flying around. The seats were torn. The whole place looked a shambles. But by 1982, it had transformed into what we see today, which is the Ceredigion Museum. I've worked in the museum for over 40 years. And when we first started, there were about 300 to 400 objects. I think I've moved actually virtually every single item in this museum. As a display designer, I've had to create different displays in this theatre. And what was really good about actually having a theatre to work in was that the displays could be quite theatrical. So we built a small cottage, a dairy, various other tableaus, I suppose, within the building. And recently I've actually been allowed to display the early history of the theatre and an early history of the cinema, both of which are downstairs and available for you to come and see for free. That's what's so wonderful about the museum, really. It's still free.